Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining. Today we are exploring how you can take full control of your notifications in the Yahoo Weather app. Staying updated on the weather is essential, but sometimes too many alerts can become distracting. First, open the Yahoo Weather app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left. Then, select Settings from the menu options. Next, look for the Notifications Settings option. Then, you will see three types of notifications available. The first one is the next hour precipitation notification, which alerts you about upcoming rain or snow in your area. The second one is the temperature change notification, which informs you when there is a significant rise or drop in temperature. The third one is severe weather alerts, which are critical warnings about dangerous weather conditions near you. Finally, choose the notifications you want to turn on and switch off the ones you do not need. This way, you can stay informed about the weather without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. Subscribe for more useful tutorials, like this video if it helped you, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.